Hey guys, Richard here, eBike Reviews and Adventures. I'm out riding the Mooncool TK1 trike today, and I thought I'd make a fun little video. It's going to be a short one, just talking about the stability of trikes. Because some trikes are known to be quite unstable, and while others are very stable. So I'm going to show you here. I'm going on and off the curb here, as you can see. Yeah, look at that. And I'm cruising along, 8 miles an hour right now. There's 9. About 9 miles an hour when I take this one off right here. Look at that. This is a pretty good little dip right here at the end of these driveways. I mean, there's, I don't know how much you see on the camera because the camera has a stabilization effect to it. But, man, I can zip on and off these curbs. And, you know, it's pretty easy to do with the right trike. And that's just another, another thing about the TK1 here that I enjoy, because it's pretty stable. You know, I mean, yeah, you can still tip it, and occasionally I have, had a wheel come off the ground, but for the most part, you can get on and off the curbs here without any trouble at all. See that? Look at that. Oh yeah. This is actually kind of fun. I'm enjoying this. Never did something like this before. Yeah, the TK1, the Mooncool TK1, very stable. I'll tell you what, one of its best features. I'm not sure what makes it that way. I think a lot of it may have to do with the differential. You know, that differential axle is just, so far it's been really good. And I say that because this trike is about, an 1.5 inches more narrow than the Electric XP that I have, and it's also a little more narrow than the Admotor E310. And I'm going to get the Admotor E310 out here soon, and maybe do a little comparison video with that one, as well as with the Mooncool, and maybe even the electric altogether. Because I know that's something people have been asking for, so we'll try to get that out soon. But yeah, just a lot of fun getting out here, showing you how stable it can be. Here we go again. Oh yeah. I'm gonna hit these with a little bit sharper of an angle now. How about that? Hitting all these driveways. There we go. All right. And people say trikes are for seniors only. Oh boy. Tell you what, you've never ridden a trike, go find someone that's got one and take it for a spin. Or maybe go rent one if you can rent one in your area, and see just how much fun they can be. See that? Oh, we're gonna hit this one right here. Right in front of Amanda's car. Yeah, good times. Good times. Oh my goodness. Alright guys, that's going to be it for this video. Just a short one. Playing around, having some fun, enjoying the beautiful day that we're having here. Hey, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. You know what to do. All that good stuff. It really helps the channel out tremendously. Hey, whatever you're riding today, whether it be an e-bike or an e-trike, do so responsibly, ride safe, so I can see you in another video soon.